What to do if your page and size and mobile phone is too bad, as me, that I put my website link in page speed and size and it is 34 and it's too bad. So there are two plugins to improve page and size and to improve performance of your website, WordPress website. So you need to go to plugins and add this new plugin, Speed Booster Pack, and install it in your site and activate it. So once you activate the plugin like this, it will be open like this. This is the main dashboard of the plugin. Go to the first one, General, and turn on all the buttons in this general section and make sure all of them has been turned on like this. And then if you finish the all buttons, there are more buttons, you should to turn them on like I'm doing, same as I did. Just copy the steps, and once you finished, again scroll up and go to the second section. It is all of them are turned on, as you could see. Then go back and go to this one, caching, and yes, you need to turn on all the caching buttons, so the cache of your website will be optimized automatically by this plugin, and it is safe, believe me. Then go to CSS section, and I'm going to scroll down to make sure all of them has been turned on. So these buttons are not turned on. I'm going to turn them on, and then go back to. Then I'm going to make sure of assess. All of them should be turned on, as same as those sections, and turn these buttons on also like this one too, and this button. So all of assets buttons are turned on. Then go to WooCommerce section and turn these also on, so it will be optimized if your pages has products or has some of the WooCommerce things, so it will be optimized by this plugin without any side effects on your website. This one is not need anything to do with. And let's see, once we install this plugin, by default we have to check the website if there is any side effects of this plugin on our website. No, there is nothing, and the site is working as same as it was. So let's see the site. We are on page speed in size, and we are waiting for the results. So this is the results. It optimized. Well, it's 42. It was 35 and it is 42. So to improve it more, we have to install another plugin. As we mentioned earlier, we need to install two plugins. So the second plugin is 10 Web Booster. So I'm searching for the plugin in my add new plugins section. So I found the plugin, the first one. This is the plugin that you should install in your WordPress website, and once you install it, you have to activate it. So I'm going to activate the plugin like this, and once you activate the plugin, an interface will be comes out like this, and you should to scroll down till you find this green button and sign up. You have to sign up first in this plugin if you want to activate the plugin in your WordPress website. So I'm going to open the plugin. It is not necessary to open it with the same Gmail that you created your website. So any Gmail, you have to use it to open this or sign up in this plugin. So this process is so necessary. You just follow me as I did. Now you are end up in this plugin. It is the interface of this plugin. It is optimizing, or this plugin is optimizing the website and making sure the website has no issues. And now you have to wait for the plugin a little bit, and this is the data or the information of your website, which is appear in this plugin, and it is optimizing where is the issues or where are the issues in your website. So I just wait for the optimizing like this. It is optimizing to see the score of your website. So I'm waiting for the results, how this plugin will optimize my website. So the performance will be like this or more than this, and it was 35 before we started to install this plugin, and on mobile phone, and on desktop was good. And I'm going to make sure if this results has been applied on my website or not by checking this scores on pages, paid and sites. But before, let me make sure that this plugin doesn't affect any bad side effects on my WordPress website. It doesn't. So now let's analyze the results again and see if the score has been changed and performance is raised up. On mobile phone the score is good, and on desktop is more than good. So make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.